if you want to start content creation, then the best thing you have to invest in is a good audio quality. But what if you don't have enough budget to invest in an expensive microphone setup? In this video, I will show you how to use a cheap 3000 francs, which is equivalent to $5 wireless Bluetooth headphones, and then connect and use it directly as a microphone, as that is what I am using, as you can see, and how you can make it to sound even better like this. Here is a professional sound we are going to achieve. By just using free tricks, you can achieve this. So if you're on a tight budget and you still want to have that professional audio quality, then you have to save this video because you have to use it later. First, you should know that when starting content creation or talking head videos like this, there are two important things you need to worry about. That is video quality and audio quality. But it is very important you first invest in a good audio quality. This is because people will manage a poor quality video but will not manage a poor audio quality. So with that said, let's get into the video. Like I said, I bought this for 3000 francs, which is equivalent to around $5. I just went to any electronic shop and then I just asked for it and they gave it to me. So when you have your Bluetooth headphone, first you need to open it like this. Then I will show you how to connect it to your system. So to achieve that, you are just going to connect your Bluetooth, because it's a Bluetooth system. So you are just going to connect it directly to your laptop as you connect any Bluetooth device to your laptop. So you come down here, you click on it. I'm using Windows 10. So here is it. As you've seen, I've already connected it. You just have to click on this now, and then you open your Bluetooth and then it will be connected. So when it is connected now, there's another thing that you have to do. You come where it says, you go to your settings, and in your settings, you come to system, sound notification, you come to sound. Then now you are going to choose where it says input. You are going to select and you choose your headphones, your microphone headphones. As you see now there like that, you select it and then that is it. As you see, it is being picked up now like this. So that is all you have to do. Now to make it sound even much better, we're just going to open Audacity here and we do a quick recording, and let me show you something. So now in your recording software of your choice, you come where it says audio setup, you come where it says recording device, and you're going to select your headphone. This is mine here. I'm going to select it. So when I start recording now, Audacity will be recording my voice. So I just come down and click on record, then I'll start recording. Here is the test of the cheap Bluetooth headphone that I am currently using as a microphone. So when you are done now like that, you can just first delete some few spaces that you don't want. Then we are going to export this now as an audio file. As you see, it's already very clean. Even you don't have any background noise, there's nothing, it's already very clean. But I just want it to sound more professional. So you're going to come to file, you export it as an MP3. So to achieve that, you go to this website known as Adobe Podcast. Then you are just going to locate the audio that you saved to your file. You just import it like that. Then you allow it to do its thing. This website is totally free, so you can use it as you want. You just allow it to enhance the video like this. Then when it is done, you're going to have it here like this. Let me just play it so that you get it, or play the original. Then I'm going to switch it. You tell me if there's any changes there. Here is a test of the cheap Bluetooth headphone that I am currently using as microphone. Here is the test of the cheap Bluetooth headphone that I am currently using as a microphone. So let me know, was there any difference? After you have converted now like that, you just come and you click on download. Then it will be downloaded, as you can see. So just give the video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you, and share it to somebody who might need it. But if you have a little budget as low as 20,000 francs or $35, then you can go for this mic. I have a full video in the description when I talk about this setup. It comes with a sound card, as you can see. This is my audio setup, but I just wanted to show you that you can actually start with something as cheap as this one. Then you can upgrade as you move forward. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up.